project on pedagogy for large class sizes really came about because we recognize that with the high increased demand for higher education in Africa, especially public universities are having to cater for bigger and bigger numbers of students.
We know that public universities tend to struggle with large classes because they are usually on government scholarship, so many students apply, and these universities, after they get all these students, they do not have time, they do not have the resources to focus on the individual student.
The University of Ghana as a whole has a population of over 61,000, but the business school has approximately 3,000 and above. Managing them is equally a challenge. So getting into this program, the Innovative Pedagogies for large class sizes, I've learned quite a number of things that will help us improve how we engage with our students and how we manage the student population in our classes.
The minimum number of students in a class is 200. For some courses, you will find a group of 300, 350 students. So it becomes then very difficult for the lecturer to have a one-on-one with the learners. And therefore, the Education Collaborative Project on pedagogies for large classes is so timely, because what happens is with the competencies that we are likely to get from this, we will possibly have a better way of engaging with the learners. Leveraging on technology, we should be able then to find a strategy that would ensure that our students are able to benefit maximally.
We are looking at teaching of large classes as a plus to revolutionizing our curriculum towards constructivism, towards active learning, towards learner-centeredness. And that to us is timely because we are at a time when we are transitioning from knowledge-based curriculum to the competency-based curriculum.
Design thinking as a methodology helps us to create novel solutions for wicked problems. And in Africa, we know we've got lots of complexity, lots of challenges, where we can actually use design thinking to innovate within our specific fields.
The key issue here is for us to get pedagogies that can help us to have our learners achieve critical thinking, problem-solving skills, entrepreneurial skills, and all those soft skills, in addition to attaining the discipline-specific skills and knowledge that we need.
To enhance, to come up with innovative pedagogies, to focus on the learning outcomes, to ensure that the learners can leave our universities when they are employable, when they are good entrepreneurs, when they are ethical, so that they can solve the problems in the real world of work, the problems in our communities.